The DJI FPV2 is finally here, and it brings something really exciting for drone lovers. It's made for people who want to feel like they're flying and not just watching from the ground with better speed, smooth control, and a sharp camera. This drone is ready for everything. Whether you're just starting or you've been flying for years, the FPV2 gives you more ways to enjoy the sky. It's faster. It lasts longer in the air and it handles better even when you're moving fast. The camera has been upgraded. The goggles give you a clearer view and the controls are easier to use. This drone is built for fun and adventure, but it also brings serious features for people who want to capture amazing footage. It's good for racing, it's good for filming, and it's built to take a few hits and keep flying. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what makes the DJI FPV2 stand out. We'll go over the flight modes, camera features, controls, battery life, and everything else that makes this drone a top choice for FPV fans. The design of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro keeps things compact and smart. It still folds down small enough to fit in a backpack, which is great. If you travel a lot or shoot in different places, the body is made with strong materials that feel tough but not too heavy. It is slightly heavier than the last version, but that's a good thing because it helps with better balance and stability in the air. Especially when the wind picks up, it also has quieter propellers now, so your flights are smoother and less noisy. This makes it easier to capture clean audio from the ground or just enjoy a peaceful flying experience. Let's talk about the camera. This is where the Mavic 4 Pro really shines. It has a new 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor that takes 20 megapixel stills and shoots 5.7K video at 60 frames per second. This means your shots look sharp with more colors and less grain. Especially in low light, the camera has a variable aperture from f2.8 to f11, which gives you a lot of control over how your shot looks depending on the lighting conditions. This comes in handy when you're shooting early in the morning or during golden hour. What really helps with video is the new AI-powered focus system. It locks onto moving subjects fast and keeps them sharp even if they move quickly or unpredictably. Whether it's a dog running across a field, a car drifting on a track, or a person skateboarding, the focus doesn't miss. It also supports 10-bit D-Log and Apple ProRes, which gives you more room to play with your footage when editing. That means you can color grade and adjust your shots more easily without losing quality. The zoom function has also been upgraded. It lets you get close to faraway subjects without messing up the image quality. This is great for shooting wildlife, mountains, or anything that's hard to reach. Battery life is a big plus. On this drone too, it gives you up to 50 minutes of flight time, which means more time in the air and less time landing to change batteries. This helps a lot when you're filming big projects or exploring large areas. It can also hit speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, which is solid for tracking fast motion like cars or athletes. It handles wind better too, so your footage stays smooth even in tougher weather. With the new GPS system and real-time kinematics, the Mavic 4 Pro knows exactly where it is all the time. That makes it easier to control and brings peace of mind when flying in tricky spots. It also uses OcuSync 4.0 for video transmission, so you can get a 4K live feed up to 15 kilometers away. Even in places with signal interference, the connection stays strong, so you don't lose sight of your footage. One of the most useful upgrades is the obstacle avoidance system. It now offers full 360-degree sensing, so it sees in every direction and avoids things on its own. If it detects something in the way, it changes direction smoothly, so you don't crash. It even has smart return to home, which means it finds the best path back to its starting point and lands safely if the signal drops or the battery gets too low. There's also emergency auto landing, just in case things go wrong. Smart flight modes have also been improved. Active Track 5.0 keeps your subject in the frame, even if they turn or move unpredictably. Master Shots 2.0 helps you capture movie-like scenes with one button press. And Waypoints 3.0 lets you set a full flight path ahead of time so the drone follows your plan perfectly. There's also a new Sky Panorama mode that takes wide, high-detail shots of everything around you. These are great for making immersive photos or videos for social media or virtual tours. The Mavic 4 Pro isn't just a minor step up. It's a full upgrade in almost every way. It's made for people who want pro-level shots without needing to be a drone expert. If you're someone who makes content, shoots events, or just loves drones, this model has what you need. Between the better camera, longer flight time, strong signal, and smart flying modes, it's a solid choice for anyone who takes their drone work seriously. And that wraps up our full review of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. It's easy to see why this drone is turning heads. It's powerful, smart, and made to deliver amazing results from the sky, whether you're filming a short film chasing a sunset or just exploring from above. This drone makes the job a whole lot easier. We covered a lot in this video, like the better sensor, the improved zoom, and the way it avoids obstacles without you even touching the controls. And don't forget about the longer flight time and stronger video feed that lets you fly further with confidence. If you're thinking about upgrading or getting your first high-end drone, the Mavic 4 Pro should be on your list. It brings everything you need in one solid package. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed learning about this drone, hit the like button and drop a comment down below to tell us what you think. We love hearing from you and always look forward to sharing more cool tech stuff with you. Make sure to subscribe to Factic for more easy-to-follow tech reviews and drone breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.